How to change password in ExpertOption application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are an ExpertOption and want to change your account's password, then first, launch the ExpertOption app open on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the left-hand side and tap on the Profile button. Inside Profile, go ahead and scroll through the top menu and select Security. Under Security, tap on Password. Now, in the first field, you'll need to enter your old or the current password for ExpertOption. Once you do that, head over to the next field and write down the new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field. And finally, after you are done, click on Confirm from the bottom. Soon after you hit Confirm, you'll be able to change your password for ExpertOption application. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.